Volleyball Challenge Cup.
Congratulations to Tia for this one.
PSA Awards Night, and congratulations as well to all the inspiring athletes present here tonight. It is a tremendous honor to be acknowledged as this year's Miss Volleyball, and I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to the Philippine Sports Writers Association for this distinction. This is actually a dream come true for me, because being a setter in volleyball and playing a non-scoring, supporting role for my team, I've always found the most fulfillment in seeing my teammates, my spikers shine. But along with a non-scoring position comes challenges, self-placed limitations, and even dreams that I thought I would never be able to achieve. Dreams like playing as a center in Port Japan, and even receiving a distinctive award such as Miss Volleyball. So I have to thank all of you for this. To the PNPF, headed by Mr. Tatsasara, along with our generous sponsors, thank you so much for graciously giving your support to elevate both the men's and the women's national volleyball programs in the country. The historic run of Alas Filipinas last year would not be possible without all of you. I'd also like to thank Sir Jonathan Lang and Attorney Lily Gruba for supporting me in pursuing my dreams of playing professional volleyball overseas, and in turn, bring back and share to the next generation everything I've learned during my stint here in Japan. To all of the coaches and teammates I've had the honor of playing with throughout the entirety of my volleyball career, thank you so much for making me the athlete that I am today. I'd also like to thank my husband Miguel for being my anchor and making me strong in ways I never thought possible. Also to our families back home for their unwavering love and support all these years. The athletes awarded here today, even those before and those to come in the future, know very well the sacrifices that come with being called to this prestigious event. More than sweet victories, there may be even more heartbreaks, failure, falling short, self-doubt, and being put into situations you may feel unqualified for. But I believe it's in our hardest, lowest points that we see what matters most to us as people and as athletes. It's when we see why we do what we do. Why do we keep waking up at 4 a.m. every day? Why do we train twice, thrice, even more times every day? Why do we power through fatigue, exhaustion, and even injuries? And why do we keep playing even when we're far away from our families? Our why becomes our purpose. It gives us strength to power through even when things are hard, when things are painful, because it makes everything worth it. 2025 will be a very important year for us in Las Filipinas. So to share with you our why, our purpose, it is to take this privilege, do our best to inspire, and open more doors for the next generation of volleyball athletes to come. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat at sama-sama patuloy po nating suportahan ang atlet ng Pilipino.